not a movie star. She's just a real looking for love.
It's time! I have 2 special co-hosts! Woo! It's a bachelorette like we've never seen before. Who should be the next bachelorette?
Me. I mean you.
What, me?
Yeah.
Everyone's greatest fear on The Bachelor is not being enough.
Right.
Everyone. Ew, that was the worst date ever.
With a bunch of other people.
Move that wood! Oh.
I'm 26 years old. I'm a general
just don't.
at Big Four, and it just puts you out there, and you're mobile, and that's just what I love to do.
What?
Like offspring when it comes to dancing.
Jamie left. He's done. What do you think?
He's cute.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Better than the dancing guy?
I don't know.
What? That was a close second. Okay, so Sarah said he has mom issues because she was never around. So you're cute, but you got some baggage. Look at his brows. They're perfect. Too perfect.
I love you now.
Calling it now. The box guy's gonna make a joke about junk when he walks out of the limo. I know it. It's not cool. What is he? Emptiness overcame him, guys, in the shower. Wow.
I wasn't.
You're on The Bachelorette, so you're about to get famous and, build your Insta brand so you can soon afford AirPods, bro.
I know I am. Oh, you're not talking to me.
Thank you.
First one.
This is the box.
Is he your favorite?
I'm good.
He kind of actually looks like the box dude.
I think he might be the box dude.
I'm nervous right now.
So he's like not being rude. He's being like,
That I live by. Character.
They're still groomed.
Charisma.
He's a singer-songwriter. I bet I've never heard anything he's written.
We're gonna have a fun time. You look great.
I'll see you.
Yeah. Hey!
is he gonna climb over that?
He's gonna
Is
jump.
it the box man?
Good one.
Someone that's never had sex before.
Oh.
What was her name again?
Devin.
Devin.
You know what sex
Oh,
is,
yeah.
right?
No, okay.
Did you get that? Fun.
Yeah, wait, what's his name? I didn't hear that. What was his name?
Math teacher.
John Paul Jones.
Duh.
Me eating in every video.
Quite literally the girl of my dreams.
He has some creepy eye contact.
And it made me feel really good.
No, it made you feel scared.
Car big spot.
What's a carbid spotter?
I'm so confusion.
Jamie's favorite.
He's the box guy. One dude climbs over the fence. This dude pops out of a box.
How will she choose?
Just gave it up.
No, they show us in the beginning.
It's like a forklift.
Oh, here come all the jealous men.
Is she wearing skull and crossbones?
Oh, it's a box.
I think so. Because I can't.
She's not very skull and crossbony.
Thank you.
Ta-da!
Come on.
Just do it. It's the box dude. Her reaction was like she didn't care.
They're in
She was-
commercial now.
Or apply online at abc.com.
The box-
Joe, nice to meet you.
He's what?
I'm team box dude.
Move. I'm not sure if it's gonna.
He occupation roller boy. What's a roller boy?
A roller boy.
Maybe.
AKA I'm unemployed and I like to rollerblade on the weekends. This guy's a hater. Stop!
I don't think humans exist.
Beast mode!
That's right.
No. Freak mode. No.
Up like I'm living the hype. What you know about me got a soul worth saving. I'm trying to win the game like my name is Nick Saban. There's one thing I gotta say, I got one on flow. This is the final rose and I'm ready to go.
Oh, yes!
Oh, that was terrible.
That's my favorite.
You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a truck.
There's a bro here and a bro there.
Hey.
Here's a bro, there's a bro, everyone's a bro. I'm Matt Zone and I love your smile and I hope I
Box is
get
better.
a rose.
Oh, that was so
So my name is.
Oh my gosh, I'd pee my pants.
good.
Talking about her baggage. Second guy.
What's next?
already. Eyebrow boy.
Confident in my
Stop.
Mason made spun me and several stoves out.
Why is he so good at this? Oh, no. I don't feel
Face
that.
muffs.
I had an amazing one-on-one with Hannah. Now, I felt the physical chemistry.
Ew! Ew!
Thanks for recording on my Snapchat.
We get it. You make boxes. It's always been a dream of mine to be a pilot.
Oh my god. That's him. That's the guy with the girlfriend.
Plot thickens.
Well, I've heard
Look pretty guilty to me.
that you talked to her on Monday, so I don't want answers right now.
Well, I'm telling you, yes, I was dating a girl before I got on the show up until Monday. If you want.
Monday? Jeez.
If that bothers you, I'm
So you
sorry,
applied
but
and all
do I
that
think
while
this is
having a
someone who
girlfriend.
I'm going to marry long term? No, I don't.
We're about to.
Stop talking. Just send him home.
Dare you
Stupid.
come here and think this is okay? How is that's all I'm gonna
I'm
have.
sorry, what?
And
Get a napkin and dab your forehead. Guy.
Whoa!
Oh, but she loves sweaty forehead.
Look at all those candles and not helping him. Wow.
He looks like he kisses good though.
Whoa, okay. It's getting too hot. I gotta turn it off. These guys have some poofy hair. Oh, look at that. And he's half asleep.
That on your thing.
John Paul Jones.
Carly.
He was gonna be mine.
Carly.
He's from Ann Arbor. Let's find him on
Carly.
Twitter.
He's from Ann Arbor. I'm about to hook you up.
Don't cry. Are they growling?
I'm obviously struggling. You're not my husband. Even my husband, the person I'm gonna be with, is gonna allow me to be my own person.
Oh, she is sassy.
I believe that.
I dig it. I picked Chris. Chris is the end game.
What's wrong with getting out of a limo like everybody else?
And he didn't even get a rose.